नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 5th January 2021. First day for my trading in 2021, and what a fantastic day we had today. First day, first step of a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review what he has done. This channel is my journey in stock market as a trader. This is my trade journal for Nifty and Bank Nifty, only for education purpose for all. Here I will disclose my trade plan for trading day and review them and share my learnings with hope that this will add value to your trade setup and trading strategy. So let's first review what happened in Nifty today. So for Nifty and Bank Nifty today, our trade plan was to buy on dip. Nifty was to buy at 14080, and target was 14186 and 14240. And for Bank Nifty, again, our strategy was to buy on dip. I did not take any trade on Nifty today, as I took a trade on Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty, everything went as per our trade plan. My trade plan was to buy Bank Nifty at 31 140 level, which was this level, and the market had a gap down opening. It consolidated for some time, and then somewhere around this green bar, I entered into Bank Nifty. I took 5 lots of 31,000 CE for 7th January, and on this green bar, I exited the trade. So what happened today for me? Today for me was that on this green bar, I again changed my stop loss and I put my stop loss here, and then this was taken out somewhere on this green bar, and then I missed this particular run up. Although I did not make a second entry because I already had a decent profit. So this is the 9,300 rupees, the profit which I earned today. The first entry was again miss because on this green bar I entered first, and then I put a stop loss below this bar, and on this red bar I got exited, and then again I had a re-entry. So good start to the first day, although I could have done much better than what I did today. And that was mainly because of trade management difficulties. So what is the problem? The problem is the stop loss. So I've learned this and experienced this in past also, that market runs in three phase. First is the morning phase, which is from 9:30 to 11. So if you see up to this green bar, and after 11 it generally sleeps down till 1 or 1:30, and then again starts the second move. So this is the area where market is generally don't do much. So I need to be careful about this time frame and play my stop loss accordingly. So what I could have done today is that once I got this green bar, and I had a 10,000 rupees profit, I said that I don't want to go red today, and I purposely put a stop loss which I knew will get hit, and that's what actually happened. So technically, what I should have done is that I should have maintained my trailing stop loss on 8-day moving average, and once I got this consolidation, I should have put my stop loss here. Then on this green bar, it would have gone out. So sometimes you just can't play with the stop loss. But anyways, good day. Learning is don't play with your stop loss much, and follow the trade plan. So now let's see what I have in store for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, let's first review on daily basis how the Nifty is looking. Now this big green bar is source of a concern for me. Because generally this kind of green bar you will find, which is also a sign of a profit booking. And after this, market will correct. So we have to be very careful now on Nifty, because if you see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 consecutive days of green bars, and then one big green bar. So I'm not saying that market will start correcting from tomorrow itself, but market is showing some sign of exhaustion here. But as per the trade setup, market is an uptrend. It's above 8-day, 20-day, and 15-day moving average. So on daily basis, it is on uptrend. Market is definitely overstretched because 200-day moving average is at 11,069 and we are at 14,200. So definitely overstretched market. But it doesn't mean that it will consolidate. It will correct. It may consolidate at this level also for some days. That we need to see how it goes. But on a daily basis, the trend is up. On a 15-minute chart, the closing is above 8-day, 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day. So here also the trend is up. So for tomorrow, my strategy is buy on dip. And when we look into our Camarilla, we have a support for tomorrow at 14,155 and 14,154, which is closer to the weekly resistance, that is 14,149, which is here. So this red line what you see here is the weekly resistance. Now this will act as a support, which is also coinciding with 20-day moving average. And now when we look into SGX is at 14,194. So what I'm expecting tomorrow is that market will somewhere should correct, come to the level of 14,149 and again start his uptrend. So look for a price reversal at 14,150 level. If it breaks this, then still there is no short. Then the second place to enter is at 14,108, 14,108, which is 50-day moving average. So either one entry here, let me draw a rectangle, one entry here, and the second entry could be here with a target of 14,300, which is closer to the monthly resistance. So for Nifty, trade plan is buy on dip at 14,150 or 14,110 level with a target of 14,300. The market has a very strong support at 14,000. So now, unless and until 14,000 is broken, there will be no short. So I will not short this market unless 14,000 is broken. So 14,000, 13,950. This is a very strong support region for a market. So there could be, so I will be buyer on this market for buy on dip. Now when we look into Bank Nifty, we have similar kind of story. Bank Nifty again one very big green bar on daily basis. So this is also could be a sign of profit booking and a sign of exhaustion. But it is above 8-day, above 20-day, above 50-day, and above 200-day. So definitely uptrend. On 15-minute chart, which I follow for my trading purposes, the closing is above 8-day, 20-day, and 50-day and 200-day. So definitely uptrend. So for Bank Nifty, again my strategy is buy on dip. At when we look into our Camarilla, we have a Bank Nifty support at 31,550 and 31,564. So 31,550 and 564. So this is the zone. So this zone has a very big support. So Bank Nifty should correct, come down to this level. We should see a price action. So what I mean by price action is it comes down one red bar and then one green bar takes out the red bar and you see a reversal. And once we see a confirmation on 15-minute chart, one bar you enter with the stop loss just below the 31,550 and with the target of 32,022 and 32,251. So 32,022, which is also very close to monthly resistance of 31,965. So yeah, that's what the plan is for tomorrow. Buy on dip for Bank Nifty as well as for Nifty. I will take any one trade, either Nifty or Bank Nifty, I will not change my stop loss till 11. At 11 o'clock, I will look for some consolidation, and somewhere below this one red green bar, I'll keep my stop loss and then see if I can enter one more batch of lot here and maximize my profit. So strike 1 for 2021, positive strike day. I use a very fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video on trade setup. Please give me your thumbs up. Today was a fantastic day for me, not only in terms of making money on stock market, but today many of the new subscriber has joined. So thank you very much for your support. I hope our discussion will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas for tomorrow. Please put me your comment. How was your trading day and what do you think about my trade plan? Don't hesitate or don't be stingy in giving me your like or your comment. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. Jai Hind and have a good trading day.